Yeah.
Guys, welcome you guys back to my YouTube channel. I just bought a small mini chopping they call this. I bought this pineapple because my children love it. After eating, they will be eating this one. We call it in Germany nachtisch. This one as well, cucumber. My daughter love it so much. You know, I still have the fresh one. That one is the bottle one. Okay, so this one is tea. You know, this time is winter. I need to buy different kinds of tea because I don't know the flavor I will be liking. So that is why I bought this. So stay tuned, guys. Then this one is apple. My children love apple. Then this one is a glove. I want to change one of my glove. I think one was bad, so I bought 3 so that when it's bad next time I don't have to go and be looking or waiting. So as I have 3 now, I keep it at home. Whenever anyone gets wrong, then I bought this one to wash under my bottle. You know, there are some cups you can't really get deep down inside, so you need to be using this. That is why I bought it, you know, for me to be able to enter inside and wash it very well. I'm just showing you guys what I bought. Then this one is mango. We call it Berne here in Germany, but it's mango, you know, like African mango. It tastes very good. I bought this. Then we no longer have vegetable oil at home. Then I bought this one as well. You see, I bought 3. Then I bought yogurt because they reduce it 50%. Okay, because they reduce it will soon expire. Then they reduce it. It's very good when you are on a weight loss journey. For your, it's hearty meal for you. When you eat, it make your food get digest before you go to bed. Active meal yogurt. It's made with kiwi, you know, those aloe vera stuff, so it's very healthy. So I'm recommending it for you. Then this one is malt. I already drank one. My children, they are back now. They will take one each, you know. So we love to drink this malt a lot. Then today this is beans. You understand? I'll be slicing it inside the porridge I'm going to be preparing. I want to prepare porridge. Then this one is the fresh cucumber, you know. So this one is the chicken I bought. I will be using this chicken to I will rub it with spices and pepper. Then I will be putting it in the oven. My children will use it to eat the kartoffel porridge I will be preparing. If I have time, I will video. If I cannot video it, but I will just snap the finisher. Okay, guys. So then this one is a vegetable. This is what I will be slicing this evening. I will be eating it with tomatoes. I have tomatoes already inside my fridge. Then this one is unripe avocado. Maybe we still spend like 2 to 3 days to be ripe. So I bought it like that, unripe. Then this one is a sliced carrot already. They have sliced it, but I just bought it because I like it. I will just add it to this and add corn to it. Salad is ready for me. Let me show you the corn I will use because I have corn already at home. I will just add this one to eat. These 3 slicing, eating it together is yummy. So that is the reason why I bought it like this. I don't need to slice. Okay, guys. So I think this is the kartoffel. I just bought small one, but I have more at home to use, you know. So then I bought this roast, you know. So this is all I have bought for today. Then guys, I don't know how to turn the lights to this other side because I need to arrange all that I have bought here to their different destination. So I will be putting this one here. I need to arrange them to their destinations, guys. You understand? So I will be putting this one here. I'm just arranging it where they belong, you know. So I'm just arranging it now. here. This is where they belong. Okay guys, so I'm just arranging, keeping everything where they belong. See all my tea, look at all my tea. I have different kind of tea here guys. So this is where I arrange my tea. So any flavor I just want, I just go ahead and pick the one I want. Okay guys, biscuit for my children. So they ate one yesterday night. I think this vlog is okay. It's going to be a continuous video guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and God bless you. So I will start from another place next time. So let me prepare to cook for them. Thank you so much everybody. Bye guys. Here is the outcome of the katofi porridge I just made for my kids. I just finished doing it now. It's time for me to dish it for them with roasted chicken. The chicken is inside the oven with salad. You understand? Here is the katofi porridge. You see that it's very thick. They will be eating it with this sauce. Okay, so guys, it's just a short video. They will be eating it with salad. I just finished the salad. Here I have corn, carrots, cucumber, then fresh salad. You know this salad, the other type that look like vegetable is the one I sliced. Everything is here. So this is what we are going to be using to eat the katofi porridge. Okay guys, so it's just a short video. Thank you all so much. So I will be dishing it, then adding one chicken lap to it for them to eat. One person, one portion, one chicken lap, then little bit salad. I just finished preparing the salad guys. Okay, I hope you guys like and love the video. If you love the video, you like more of this kind of video, let me know. This is still our own mommy vlog. Okay, so you know, here in Europe we don't have anybody to help us. You have to do everything yourself. But if you are in Africa, you can have us help and people around you to support you. But yeah, I have to do everything alone. So I just finished cooking now. I want to serve my children food. I don't know if I will be able to vlog while eating. Let me see. If I can do that, I will still do it. If I cannot, then thank you all so much guys. So this is the outcome of the katofi. Okay, bye guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the salad, the chicken is still inside the oven. Okay, thank you so much everybody. Thanks for your support. Please share my video if you find it interesting, like it and share. You can also prepare your own katofi porridge for your children. It's very good. The children love it. It's so yummy. My children love it. Okay, so you can also prepare it for your children as well. Okay, you can also prepare it for your children because children love it a lot. Okay guys, so thank you so much. If it's your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to watch it. So that is the outcome. You see how it looks. It looks yummy. Here's the salad. I just finished preparing it. So guys, bye for now. It's a continuous vlogging. Thank you so much. Bye everyone. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do roasted chicken for my children. I will be rubbing it with sauce, tomato sauce and spices. You know, I have put all the spices inside the sauce. So I will be cleaning the chicken so that I will be able to do it guys. So this is what I'm doing now. I will be rubbing it with the chicken so that you can be able to see it very well. They will be using it to eat potato, you know. So guys, let me rub the chicken let me rub the chicken. So let me rub the chicken with the sauce, okay? Just to rub it, and I already put spice, everything on it, but just to use it to rub it around. I don't want to put my hand inside. You know, I'll be drying it in the oven. I will be drying it. I've put spice, pepper, everything is inside already, just for it to, you know, my children like it. So I will roast it, you know. So guys, stay tuned and watch me. I don't want pepper to, let me use my hand to rub it. Let me use my hand to rub it, so that everything will enter the way I want it, you know. So I will be putting it in the oven. So I rub everything. Okay guys, so I have put spices, everything inside what I need. I've already used it, I ground it already. So just for me to, you know, so guys, I will be putting it in the oven now. I think I have rubbed it very well the way I want. It's already okay like this. So guys, I've done that already. I prepare it for the oven. So let me put it in the oven. Meanwhile, the remaining sauce, I will use it to do katoffi sauce. Yes, darling. I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. He will give you. We give. Go and ask her. Go and ask him. He will give you. Go and ask him. Okay. He will give you. So I am putting it. He will give you. I'm doing video.
But he's talking on the phone.
Spaghetti bolognese. I just finished preparing it. If you want to know how I prepared this, just give it a thumbs up and let me know, so that when next I'm preparing it, you will be able to watch me from the beginning. Things what I use is onions, tomatoes, tin tomatoes, garlic, ginger, grounded meat, and also I use yes, that is all I use. Maggi cube, curry, you know. So this one is good for eating spaghetti. My children love it, so I just prepare it for them now. So if they come back for school, they will eat this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's so yucky, yummy. So I will be preparing spaghetti. They will use it to eat it. So guys, I just decided to video it and put it here for you guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to show you how I prepare it, put it down below, so that next time when I'm preparing it, I will have to start it from the crash. Okay guys, thank you all so much for your support. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you. Much love, my beautiful, amazing subscribers, my gorgeous followers. I love you guys from the moon to the back. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Big kisses to you all. Please guys, catch the kiss, okay? Love you. Bye.